County Director mar somo e County Nairoma Migori Migosi Jacobo Onyiego okwayo jopuonje mabe nosomo e skunde sekondar makono ero e kinde mokalo mondo okony skunde go eko mane gisomo e wechego mago mag dongruoge. Koloso e skunde sekondar ma Kanyawanga e Migori kono ero e kinde mabende jopuonjre machon e skul no ero kata alumni odhi chopo chiwo kony ne japuonjre Richard Ochieng mabende nodonje form 1 to onge kod nyalo e skul no ero. Jotelo go eko okwayo alumni mag skul no ero mondo obed kasiro dongruoge mag skunde kono mondo jopuonjre mamoko bende oyud aluora makare mar somo kendo timo maber bang' higni 4. Riwruoge jopuonjre masomo kata manosomo Kanyawanga mano ero Kanyawanga Alumni Association kotelnegi kod jagoro margi okwayo piny owacho mondo konye ting'o malo skul no ero ahinya e wechego eko mag gedo kod chiwo jopuonj moromo mondo konye puonjo nyithindo go eke yore makare.
The well-wishers, including the Kanyawanga old boys, for that they have done for me, and these are the requirements. And I'm here thanking the deputy principal for what he has done, and I'm now proud of what he has done. And my wish is that I want to be a lawyer in the future.
Pro na temo ng'iyo koni gi koni kata wuoyo gi jopuonj skul mano some mondo onuo mondo kata obi onwang' maksi maber mbele. To no kuna ni mama an okane ka dhi nuoyo nikech sa osedeko kaluwore kaka ne wamanyo fees mondo wakonye go to notama yudo.
Osebedo kitwa kod timwa mar chung' kod nyithindo ma ok onyalo. Wach mar Ochieng Okong'o nochopo e itwa ka nyathini nochako wuoth ka Migori kokonye kod fare kende kod reem paper achiel mondo bi omany kaka onyalo donjo e skundni.
So this young man reported in school a few days ago with only a ream of photocopying papers. As alumni, we saw the need and we chipped in. So today we are here, though it's half term, that's why you can see he's not in full school uniform, but everything has been cared for by the alumni to hand him over to the school officially. So as you can see, all the requirements, the stationery, the personal effects, everything has been bought by the alumni, and they are all here. This boy will be the light of the family because his predecessors, none has completed high school. So we hope he will complete high school up to tertiary level and even up to the university level, at least to bring light, bring hope, and bring some sense of good life to his family.
From the family background, he is the fourth born in the family of 4. He is the only one who has made an attempt to join the secondary school in the family. There are 2 boys, 2 girls. The girls got married once they were through with primary, and now the elder boy is a Juakali man in the village, and the boy is here trying to pursue his education. The boy told me he would wish to be a chief magistrate or a lawyer in future. So I'd wish anybody who can support him to achieve this dream to come forward.
Old Boys Association, who have again today come to help a very needy student. Now this is a student who came from Dongruoge. He had reported to school without anything. He carried only 1 ream of papers, and he will begin active learning on Monday when students resume from half term. They have today bought him the uniforms and paid the first term's fee for him. And this is not the first time. This is not the first time that our alumni, they are doing that. Over the years, actually every year, they have been sponsoring students to the tune of 1 million shillings through bursaries. The needy and bright students have been benefiting from the activities of our alumni. And I really want to thank God because we can have such kinds of big-hearted people around us who are coming back to the school where they were, their alma mater, and very concerned about the welfare, the well-being of the students in the school. So
in regard to 100% transition, we are in the process of doing mop-up across the county.